The top metaverse tokens by market capitalization. We're highlighting Decentraland and the Sandbox today. And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Decentraland is up 25% of the day. But when I first started talking about this, it was only 76 cents. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, that's right. Decentraland is $5.14 of the day, up 25%. But when we first start talking about it, and thank you guys for following, subscribing to the channel, you will be up tremendously because I only had 344 views that day. And the only people that did it was Steve and SE and some others. That's all. That's all. That is all. Andrew, Health, Heal, Happiness, Dom. These are the only people that knew about it. Total gem at the time. And the fact is, Decentraland is going to go much higher than $5.12. I'm not giving you any advice. I'm just telling you exactly what the facts. The facts. Because if I look on here, they're the top one by market capitalization. Through the numbers, we're headed to the metaverse land, world. And when I go look at here, $5.14. And I go look under here, 76 cents from May. Today is November 24th, 2021. A day before Thanksgiving. Happy early Thanksgiving to you. And if I go look at the website, welcome to Decentraland. Create, explore, trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. Click here to get started. So Decentraland is not the only winner in this. The Sandbox. The Sandbox is killing the game right now. $7.05 of the day is up 33%. But when we start talking about this, it was 26 cents. 26 cents. 511 views, and only Steve was the only one we're responding at the time. Steve, if you're watching this, shout out to you, Steve. I appreciate you. I think you're the one told me about the Sandbox at that time. I covered it. I liked it. And this was some of the video of it. I actually covered it. I talked about it. We went over the white paper and we went over some of the things about it, some of the functionality of it. We looked at that price. It was down 13% of that day. I remember that. And that's what you good to do your own research. Then I go fast forward it, $7.05 from 26 cents. Guys, these things can happen. I know you probably thinking, well, this stuff, it doesn't really happen over time. Or if I do my research, it doesn't work. Yes, it does work. It's proof. 26 cents to $7.05. And it's going to continue going up. It will. And if I go look at the website here, it's very interactive and it's very, very user-friendly. And it's very virtual. Play, create, own, govern a virtual metaverse made by the players, made by you. And this has evolved over time since these days here, May 23rd, 2021. Today is November 24th, 2021. So, congratulations. I know some of you guys watching this has invested in the Sandbox since these days, or maybe a little earlier, maybe much earlier, or maybe recently. So congratulations. Congratulations to all the Decentraland mana holders. I'm a big fan of Decentraland. It's one of my favorite ones. And of course, you have, and one of my personal favorites is Veracity. I love Veracity. It's undervalued. I do think Veracity has tremendous potential in this space here. I love this Veracity. Absolutely. So in the links, well, in the description box, I'll have Decentraland and the Sandbox links. You can take a look at it, do your research as well. But just wanted to show you a flashback. Decentraland, 76 cents, moved up to $5.19. And then you have the Sandbox. It was 26 cents and it moved to $7.05. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. In your portfolio, I will highly recommend at least looking into some of these metaverse tokens. Actually, all these are really good. The engine coin is really good. There's a lot of good projects in here as well. I do. But I just got personal favorite. I like Decentraland, the Sandbox, and Veracity. Those three. That's three of my favorites. Three of my favorites. Those are three I know the best probably, and the ones I've done the most research. But honestly, a lot of these are really, really good here. Just do your research, take a look at them, and I'll see you on the next video.